If you think every property with a motivated seller is an opportunity, think again. Some real estate deals are designed to make you excited before you have time to check the numbers. Today, I'm exposing 5 real estate scams and bad deals that can turn a promising investment into a financial nightmare, and I'll show you exactly what to watch for. 1. The too good to be true property. You find a property listed dramatically below comparable homes. The seller says, "I need a quick closing." That urgency is your first warning sign. The property could have unpaid taxes, major structural problems, title issues, illegal renovations, or other liabilities. The rule: never let a discount replace due diligence. Get an independent inspection, title search, property history review, and realistic repair estimate before committing. 2. Fake or inflated rental numbers. This one is especially dangerous for investors. Someone tells you, "This property rents for $3,000 a month," and suddenly the deal looks incredible. But can it actually achieve that rent? Ask for evidence. Compare similar nearby rentals, verify current leases when applicable, and calculate your return using realistic, not optimistic income. And don't forget vacancy, maintenance, property taxes, insurance, utilities, management, and capital expenses. A property that looks cash flow positive on paper can quickly become negative in real life. 3. The hidden problem fixer-upper. "Just needs cosmetic work" can be one of the most expensive sentences in real estate. Fresh paint and new flooring are predictable. Foundation movement, outdated electrical systems, plumbing failures, mold, roof damage, or drainage problems are not. Never rely solely on the seller's description. Bring in qualified professionals and obtain multiple repair estimates when the project is significant. If the numbers only work when every repair estimate is at the absolute minimum, walk away. 4. The title and ownership trap. Imagine spending months negotiating a property, only to discover the seller doesn't have clean authority to transfer it, or there are liens, ownership disputes, easements, or other title problems. This is why a professional title search is so important. Never send a large payment simply because someone emails you wiring instructions. Independently verify payment instructions with the appropriate professional using trusted contact information. A few minutes of verification can prevent a devastating loss. 5. The high-pressure act now deal.